It's Sally Beauty's 60th anniversary for being the one-stop shop for everything beauty. So today I am doing this 80s makeup and hair inspired look to celebrate Sally's 60th anniversary. Everyone had in the 80s was curls, whether it was natural or with a perm. So let's bring back my curls first by using the Bond Bar Binding Primer by splitting my hair into sections and dipping each section with the primer and leaving it on for 10 minutes. Let's hop in the shower, rinse this out, and use the Bond Bar Hydration Mask. This is going to repair, protect, and hydrate my hair for all the teasing that we're going to be doing. At the shower, I'm going to prep my skin for makeup. I'm going to be energizing my skin with the Plant Theory Face Wash, then topping it off with the Plant Theory Energizing Face Moisturizer so that we have our skin nice and prepped and ready for makeup after my hair. Go in with the Texture ID Curl Defining Gel to enhance my natural curls by applying the product throughout my curls and scrunching it throughout all the hair. Now I'm just going to let my hair dry by diffusing it, and to make these curls even bigger, I'm going to be using this teasing brush and backcombing my hair at the root to really get volume in my hair and to make it as big as possible. And now that the curls are ready, let's do a cute 80s hairstyle using a staple, the scrunchie. Part my hair in half and put the scrunchie right on top of my head, as you can see here. Go back in with a teasing brush and make my hair even bigger by backcombing some of the sections. I spray my hair with a smooth criminal heat protectant by Beyond the Zone and go with a curling iron to define some pieces of hair. Although I want my hair to be big, I really want to go in and define some curls to frame my face. This is the completed hair look. Let's get into the makeup. For 80s eyes, I'm going to go with the Kokie Cosmetics Rainbow Bright eyeshadow palette in my crease. Add more of a pop of color in my eyes. I'm going to add the liquid eyeshadow by Glow Boom in the shade Shore. Kind of defining my eyes by adding more color to the crease. Elevate this look by adding the Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece Lash in Avant-Garde. Let's top off this look with the Palladios Stain in Berry Goody for a vibrant lip. Here is the completed 80s hair and makeup look to celebrate Sally Beauty's 60th anniversary. This look by picking up these products that I mentioned at your local Sally Beauties and represent the 80s, the decade that was the best in innovative beauty products.